A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to understand the textual questions of nutrition in plants, which is in 7th science. The question number 1 is, why do organisms need to take food? Answer is, organisms need to take food because they need energy which is obtained from food to perform various life processes, to perform various activities. So organisms need to take food because they get energy out of food to perform various activities. Okay. Question number 2 is, distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. Distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. Parasite is an organism which obtains its food from host. So this parasite, it deprives the host from its nutrients, whereas the saprotroph obtains its food from dead decaying matter. Okay. Example of parasite is cuscuta, while as an example of saprotroph is mushroom. Question number 3 is, how do you test the presence of starch in leaves? Dear students, when we remove chlorophyll from the leaf by boiling it in alcohol. First of all, we have to remove chlorophyll from the leaf by boiling it in alcohol. So when we remove this chlorophyll, then we have to put 2 drops of iodine solution. We have to add 2 drops of iodine solution. If its color changes to blue, this indicates the presence of starch in leaf. Okay, if by adding 2 drops of iodine solution, if the color changes to blue, that indicates the presence of starch in leaf. Question number 4 is, give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. So this is the process of photosynthesis, while by the green plants absorb water through roots, carbon dioxide through leaves. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they synthesize their food. So this process is called photosynthesis, whereby the plants absorb water through roots, carbon dioxide through leaves. In presence of sunlight, they synthesize glucose. This is the process of synthesis of food in plants. So question number 5 is, show with the help of a sketch that the plants are the ultimate source of food. I will repeat the question. Show with the help of sketch that the plants are the ultimate source of energy. Dear students, uh, ultimate source of energy is sun. Ultimate source of energy on the earth is sun. So this solar energy, it is converted by plants into chemical energy. So this light energy is converted by plants into chemical energy. They synthesize food out of this solar energy. So these plants, they are producers because they produce the food by the process of photosynthesis. These plants, they are consumed by first consumers, what we call herbivores. Okay, so these herbivores, they are eaten by secondary consumers, rather tertiary consumers. Okay, secondary consumers are omnivores, while as tertiary consumers, which eat directly these herbivores animals only, they are carnivores. Okay, these first consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, when they die, they are decomposed by decomposers into the constituent nutrients. So these nutrients, they are taken by plants out of the soil. So this forms a kind of chain. These plants use these nutrients in their metabolic processes. Okay, so we can say that plants are the ultimate source of food on earth because they are producers. Only plants convert this solar energy into chemical energy for the production of food. These plants are then taken by first consumers, then secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, finally decomposers. So this is a kind of chain, but actually the main producer, the actual producer are the plants. So we can say that plants are the ultimate source of food on earth. Hope you have understood this. Rest of the questions, inshallah, we will do tomorrow. Thank you. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum.